So, and you've been super generous with your time for me. Just to overview. So, all of these are going to go out, especially to the a few hundred that I've gone through my system, checked to make sure that they haven't actually sold the property. All these letters are going to go out, not with anything specific within real estate. Maybe I'll change it a little bit to say like call for, market update or something like that. The
Hmm.
warm leads that I have talked to just have not been able to reach, with the holidays. Maybe I'll be more specific with. And then going forward, I'm only going to include those specific numbers on leads that I actually call that I know that there's like an option here. Under no circumstances you'd get granular with every single lead and send those
No way.
numbers on a packet. Okay.
No way. Yeah. Not until I'm not even doing packages until we've talked.
Oh, okay.
I may do some cold mail. Um, you know, your 7-page packet. Probably not going to do that to someone that I haven't talked to.
Hmm.
So I'm going to do that with the people I've talked to, and then the people that I talked to that also confirmed a possible real estate need, I will do a letter and this with some estimates on there. But this is maybe half of the people that I talked to overall that have indicated that there's a possible real estate need.
Okay.
So if I get 12 people that I'm sending the package to, there's probably only going to be 6 that I follow that package up with a customized price range.
Okay, that makes sense. What I might do is just send the cover letter out, a unique one for cold mail, just saying, hey, you're going to get this from me over the next couple of months, and then just chop my packet up into the vendor list. Then the next week or month or 2 months, I don't know,
Great.
check, or, yeah, things like that is something you do or recommend.
Sure. Yeah. It's not
Okay,
what I
cool.
do, but I think it's a good approach. And I
Okay.
want, I'll clarify. This is for you. This is for everybody. Um, what you're doing is you're just picking a path. And that's like always the first thing that I tell people: pick a path, create a strategy, and run with it. Even if it's not what Bruce does, it's not what somebody else does, run with it. Number one, it's going to make you unique. Number two, you're going to be in action. Number three, you're going to be able to see whether it's working or not. And if it's not working after about 3 months, you're going to make some adjustments. The people that freeze and say, hey, I'm not going to do anything because I don't know the perfect thing to do, they're always out of the probate business in 3 months. Always. So I love that idea that you just gave me. Have I done it? Nope. Would I do it? Yeah, I would run with something like that.
Awesome. Thank you.